Now from our flower base, we're going to go ahead and go into a frog base. So as we look down here, you can see I've got my traditional flower base here. I'm going to bring this side up. I'm going to take it, I'm going to open it up like so, just to crease it down. And there in the center of those lines, like so. Fold it down. There we go. I'm going to use my chopstick to really flatten it out. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and petal fold this, like so. This is a lot smaller than I'm used to working with. It also is a lot prettier than I'm used to working with too. So there we go. Open it up. And petal fold this in like so. Your regular origami paper will just naturally bend with you, giving you very little resistance. There you go.